Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts and urban dwellers. Are you dreaming of fresh, homegrown produce but think your small balcony or patio just isn't big enough? Think again. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vertical gardening. Limited space is no longer a barrier to a bountiful harvest. Vertical gardening lets you grow more in less area by utilizing upward space. It's perfect for apartments, small yards, or anyone wanting to maximize their green footprint. This method also improves air circulation around your plants, which can reduce disease. Plus, harvesting is often easier when your veggies are at eye level. It's a game changer for urban gardeners. Let's talk about the stars of the show, climbing plants. Pole beans are fantastic, offering continuous harvests and beautiful foliage. Cucumbers, especially bush varieties trained vertically, thrive on support. Tomatoes, particularly indeterminate types, absolutely love to climb. Just make sure to provide sturdy support as they get heavy. Peas are another excellent choice, growing quickly and producing sweet pods. Squash and small gourds can also be trained vertically if given strong trellises. Think about compact varieties like patio star zucchini. Even some peppers can benefit from a little vertical guidance. You don't need fancy equipment to start. A simple trellis made from bamboo stakes or old fencing can work wonders. Just secure it firmly to your railing or a wall. Repurposed pallets can be transformed into tiered planters. Stack them, add landscape fabric, and fill with soil. This creates multiple planting pockets in a small footprint. Hanging planters are another brilliant solution. Use sturdy hooks and hang them from your balcony ceiling or a wall-mounted rack. Consider vertical pocket planters for herbs and smaller greens. Beyond climbing, think about companion planting to optimize space. Growing basil beneath your tomatoes can deter pests and save room. Intercropping fast-growing radishes between slower crops also maximizes yield. Container choice matters too. Use grow bags for root vegetables like carrots and potatoes. They can be folded away when not in use. Self-watering planters are excellent for busy gardeners, ensuring consistent moisture. Consider tiered shelving units for smaller pots of herbs or leafy greens. These allow you to stack multiple plants without taking up much floor space. Every inch counts on a balcony. Vertical gardens can dry out faster, so consistent watering is crucial. Drip irrigation systems or self-watering containers are highly recommended. Check soil moisture daily, especially during hot weather. Ensure your plants receive adequate sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sun. Rotate your containers if some areas get more shade than others. Heat your plants regularly with a balanced liquid fertilizer, as nutrients can leach out of containers quickly. Keep an eye out for pests and address them promptly with organic solutions. Embrace the vertical revolution and transform your balcony into a thriving edible oasis. With a little creativity and these practical tips, you'll be harvesting fresh, delicious produce in no time. Happy gardening!